Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make bakarwadi. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First, in a bowl, add wheat flour, chickpea flour or besan, turmeric, salt and mix it with a spoon. Now add hot oil to the flour and mix with a spoon. After it gets a little cold, use your fingers to crumble the mixture till it holds shape like this. Now keep adding water and make a smooth dough. Once it is smooth, rub some oil and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Until then, we'll make the masala. In a grinder, add cumin, coconut powder, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, turmeric, red chilli powder, sugar, salt, and grind it into a powder. If you prefer spicy food, then you can add more red chilli powder. After 15 minutes, knead the dough some more and flatten it. Now cut it from the two sides to make it even. Spread Imli chutney and leave some space on the sides so it can be rolled easily. Now we add the masala generously and dab it using our fingers. Do not forget to leave space on the sides. Dab some water on the side so it gets easier to stick. Now, from one uneven side, roll it tightly. This will make it easier to cut later. Secure it using your fingers and roll it on the countertop so it stays tight. Now cut it and flatten it a little using your fingers. We will fry this in hot oil on medium heat till it gets brown. After it is cooked, take it out on a paper towel and let it cool. Voila! Your spicy, tangy and crispy bakarwadi is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.